Today, I'll be showing you how to make potato pancakes with an Asian twist, and this recipe is also vegan and gluten-free. These pancakes are super crispy on the outside, making it the perfect potato snack that can be enjoyed at any time. All you really need are some potatoes, green onions, and sesame seeds to make this. Welcome back, my name is Daniel, here to show you simplified recipes that are easy to follow using common ingredients. If you're new to this channel, remember to hit subscribe and the notification bell for more delicious recipes that your friends and family will love. Now let's get started on these super crispy potato pancakes. Start by thinly slicing one stalk of green onions. You can always use more if you really like onions. You'll also need the equivalent of 2 medium potatoes of your choice. I'm using 3 small yellow potatoes today that I've washed and peeled. Grate the potatoes, being careful not to nick your fingers at the end. If you have a potato ricer, use it. Otherwise, a salad spinner or a clean kitchen towel will work too. You want to squeeze as much moisture as you can out of the potato shreds and then place it into another bowl. Repeat this process for all the potatoes. This is very similar to making hash browns, which I have a terrific recipe for that you should also go check out. The difference here is we want to keep the starch, so don't rinse the potatoes in water. You'll also want to reserve the reddish brown liquid that you've drained from the potatoes and allow the starch to settle to the bottom. As you can see, the white substance at the bottom is the starch we want to keep. Go ahead and pour away the reddish brown liquid until all that remains is the white starch. To the potatoes, add salt and black pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of potato or cornstarch, all the green onions, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds, I used white and black here, a little garlic powder to taste, which is optional, and the starch we saved from the liquid. Give this potato mixture a good stir until everything is well combined. Then we are ready to fry. Pour enough oil to just cover the bottom of a non-stick skillet and turn the heat up to medium. Swirl the oil around and test for heat by dropping a potato strand in. It will sizzle when the oil is hot enough. Pour half of the potato mixture into the oil and begin to flatten it down into a thin layer with a spatula. Bring the edges back in to create a nice round pancake shape, and let it fry on medium heat for about 15 minutes on the first side. You can also sprinkle additional sesame seeds on top if you wish. This is entirely optional. Rotate the pancake around and give it a good shake from time to time to ensure even cooking and that it is not sticking to the pan. Don't disturb it too much, however, but take a peek underneath, checking for color on the bottom. Once it's reached your desired crispiness, flip the pancake using a fork to assist and fry for about 10 minutes on the other side or until golden brown to your liking. The darker it is, the crispier it will be. Remove the pancake from the pan when it's done and cut into wedges to serve immediately. And there you have it, my twist on potato pancakes. As you can see, the secret ingredient to making these absolutely amazing is just a little bit of patience and time, but I guarantee you it is well worth the wait. They're like fancy hash browns that make a terrific side to any meal, and your friends and family will love them. Hope you enjoy! Alright everyone, it is time for the taste test. Super crispy potato pancakes. I know they've cooled a little bit, but I'm still so excited to try them. Here goes the first bite. gonna finish the other piece. They're super crispy, as you can hear. And you get that flavor of green onion. They're nice and salty. You get a little bit of that sesame. They're delicious. Absolutely delicious. And I know it takes a little bit of time to make these potato pancakes, but it's so worth the wait. They're nice and crispy. If you don't want them this crispy, if you want them a little bit more soft, just take them off the heat a little bit earlier. But these are quite simple and easy. There's no complicated steps. There's no tricky steps in there. It's just, you gotta wait. You gotta have patience for these. If you have time in the morning, you can also make them in the morning for breakfast. But I think that these are just great for like a weekend when you have a little bit more time on your hands, and you can just throw together a simple yet delicious, delicious potato snack. And I know this is similar to my hash brown recipe, which you should also go check out, but it's a little bit more fancy. It takes a little bit more time to make, but the end result is just so delicious. You're gonna love them. Your friends and family are also gonna be raving about this recipe. They're gonna love them as well. And as always, if you like this recipe, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below how you like to eat your potatoes. And remember to hit subscribe and the notification bell for more delicious recipes. I will see everyone soon. Till next time, bye everyone.